So this is the warmer itself. It looks like a giant can. On the lid, when it's open, on the top you can see there's a little holder for the aromatic discs you can buy. I'm not sure where you buy them, but you slide them in there, and then when you warm up your towel or whatever, it makes the towel have that scent. That's an optional thing. So it's a pretty large unobstructed area where you put the towel in to warm it. Feels like metal. And the can emit a funky smell, as other users have noted. And one nice thing to note, the plug does have a ground wire. It's a 3-prong plug. Just gonna take a bath towel here, roll it up, drop it in. And you can see still quite a bit of room in there. All right, so now we grab the top of the lid here. There's a little handle. Close that up and hit the start button. And now you just kind of wait. This will kick on pretty soon and light up red when the surface is hot, which just indicates inside of it that there's, you know, the walls of it are hot. The outside doesn't get hot. I mean, it might get a little warm, but it doesn't get hot. It's only been a minute or two, but you can see the hot surface light is now lit up, which I think means the interior of it is hot. Many minutes later, turn it off. It still says hot surface to warn you. And you can feel the heat coming out of it. It's nice and warm. Oh, that's nice and warm. Really, really warm. And it's cozy, very, very cozy. It's like a warm towel. It is a warm towel. One thing to note is try not to put in a towel if it's damp, because it won't go so good if you do that. They said that in the manual. And it's awesome to have a warm towel when it's been below freezing for 5 weeks in a row. It even fits a small throw blanket. Yeah, it's nice and warm. This makes me happy in the winter. And some bonus content, here is a look at the owner's manual. Not much to speak of, but in case there's something in there and you lost yours, I thought I'd at least flip through it and somebody could pause it and be able to see what was in there. If you enjoyed this video, please think about hitting the thumbs up button, and definitely share it with your friends if you think it's useful, and hit the subscribe button to be notified when more like this come out. Thanks again for watching, and thanks most of all for commenting. I really enjoy the comments the most. Thank you.